Today I'm going to make a very simple pumpkin curry. Let's look into the ingredients now. We need raw pumpkin, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 8 garlic pods, 1 cup of fresh grated coconut. Now what you see in this platter is all for the seasoning. I have 2 strands of curry leaves. From that 1 cup of grated coconut, little bit portion I have taken it for seasoning, 4 to 5 shallots and 3 dried red chili. And I'm going to use coconut oil because we'll get superb taste with that. So let's get into the cooking now. Now out of this much of pumpkin, what you're seeing in my hand, I'm going to take half of it. Okay? I've removed the peel and washed it. And then we're going to cut. I've cut it into this thin slice so that it gets cooked faster. Now let's take an earthen pot. Lit the gas. Straight away in this earthen pot, I am putting these pumpkin sliced ones. Very little quantity, as you can see, less than 1/4 of your teaspoon. Add the turmeric powder. And lesser than 1/4, I am putting the red chili powder. Salt to taste and adding on the water. Put sufficient amount of water so that all the pumpkin pieces are nicely dipped into that. Not too much and not very little. Let's place a lid and cook it till it gets nice and soft. While the pumpkin is getting cooked, we have little work to be done. Grated coconut. Garlic pods. And the cumin seeds. Now we're going to make a paste of it, fine to coarse. It should not be too much fine, neither it should be too coarse. Fine to coarse. We're going to add a little bit of water and grind it well. Let's open the wok and see how well our pumpkins are cooked. Now I'm going to put it on a low flame. It's cooked well, has become quite tender. Now we're going to smash these pumpkin pieces. Now this is how well it has to be smashed. I've already reduced the flame. Remember to keep it on the sim flame. And this I am adding our coconut paste. Again mix it. Now we have mixed the coconut paste into the pumpkin and I'm adding little bit of warm water. We have to have a good consistency, not very thin and not very thick gravy. So mix it again well. So we have smashed it and I have added nice coconut paste into that. Now see if it is too dried up. Mine was too dried up, so I have added little bit of warm water. Please remember to add warm water if it is required, seeing the consistency of the pumpkin. And now we don't need to boil it more. We're gonna do the seasoning of it. Place another wok. 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Our oil is heated up. Adding first and foremost mustard seed. Let it crackle. Then goes our shallots. Slice it. These small shallots have their own unique taste. So try and get that and use it for this curry. Next, adding 3 dried up red chilies. Toss it. Then add the curry leaves. Adding the grated coconut. As you are frying this, you'll get a wonderful aroma of coconut frying one and as well as the curry leaves. Coconut also gets burnt up very quickly, so we need to keep on tossing it. Our seasoning is ready and now I'm adding it to this. And mix it. This was a simple pumpkin local curry of Kerala. I'm sure this recipe is so easy, anybody can make it. And remember to try it out, right? And do write to me in the comment section, how did you like the taste of it? And remember to share our videos, subscribe our videos, and see you in the next video here on NMS Flavor. It's me, Stuti, signing off. Bye-bye.